The ideas are here, but there is no language. Friends, we people want to speak in English. We want to express our ideas and thoughts in English, but we are unable to speak. We can't speak. We have not that capability, that ability which we have in terms of speaking our native language. There is no problem, there is no hesitation when we talk in our native language, when we talk in our mother tongue, so there is no problem. We people are very comfortable. When it comes to speaking, so we people feel hesitant. And friends, you know very well that nowadays English has become an essential part of our life, in our professional life. If you want to, you know very well that if you want to crack and any interview, if you want to get a good job, so and if you want to become a better version of your life, so it is very compulsory that you must have excellent communication skill. There are so many English learners, they get a chance, they go for an interview, but they don't get success. They have not appropriate communication skills, so they are not able to get promotion, they are not able to get success. So how to improve communication skill? Friends, I am telling you, if you start doing two kinds of things, like only listening and reading. If you start listening and reading, so definitely you will see changes in yourself. You can 100% you can improve your communication skill. Friends, I am telling you, if you are thirsty, okay, and there is no water in tank, so how can you quench your thirst? If you go to tap, so there is no water. Same way, similarly goes to English. You want to speak in English, you want to become a fluent speaker, and there are no vocabs in your mind. Your mind is empty, your mind is only full with Hindi words, with your native language. So how do you speak good English? So for that, you have to work upon it. First you have to fill your mind with English vocabs. When you have enough vocabs, so definitely you can utter through your mouth in English, and you can easily talk in English. Because if you start reading, so you will get so many vocabs, so many contents, so many ideas from the book, and definitely you can enhance your communication skill. And friends, as you know very well that a good listener is a good speaker. Just inculcate the habit of listening. You can listen anything. You can listen any podcast according your choice. You can listen any podcast, any news channel, any storybook, audio storybook. You can listen, but don't listen like for hours. Just listen only for 5 minutes, and not only once. Just keep in your mind that if you inculcate the habit of listening, so don't listen only once. Listen many times, more and more, because when you are listening something, so that thing is storing in your mind just like a data, and it becomes a part of your memory. And when you start speaking or writing, so you can reproduce that memory. So if you are listening something, not listen only once, listen 4 to 5 times, and minimum 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, start speaking, try to speak. When you are listening, you have to be very careful towards the things that how the sentence is constructed. Okay? Because you have to learn English grammar through real conversation. As we all know that grammar is the foundation of language. You have to speak correct English. So you have to command over grammar. Don't read any grammar book. You have to read grammar through real conversation. You have to be very alert, very focused that which type of sentence you listened through speech. When you are listening, which type of sentence, like affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative, optative, and what is the sentence formation, like narration, voice, what you listened. So you have to go through. I'm just telling you an example. I don't know where he will come. If your principal clause is in simple sentence, then your subordinate clause be also be in the simple. I don't know where he is. We will not speak like I don't know where is he. We have to speak I don't know where he is. Means if your principal clause is in simple sentence, so your subordinate clause also will be in simple. So you have to learn English grammar through real conversation. And you have to do this kind of thing per day. You have to do your listening practice every day. Minimum 5 to 10 minutes for 5 to 6 times. Until you understand the concept. Until you understand what type of sentence is used here. So you have to analyze of English grammar, and that's how you can learn English grammar as well as you can improve your communication skill, and it is going to help you a lot. So practice, practice and practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. Practice is the only key. Practice is the only key with the help of which you can enhance your communication skill. So if you really practice is the only key with the help of which you can enhance your communication skill. So if you are really willing to speak English, if you want to get a good job, if you want to become a best person in your life, so you have to improve your communication skill. Keep learning and keep smiling. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.